Ever tried to untangle a complex claim, like, vaccine A is better than vaccine B? It's not a simple yes or no. There's safety, efficacy, cost, distribution, side effects, so much to unpack. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking method called CLAIM SPECT, which dissects these claims into their core components, revealing supporting, neutral, and opposing evidence. Let's break it down. So how does CLAIM SPECT work? Imagine a tree. The root is the original claim. Say, vaccine A is better than vaccine B. But to understand this, we need to explore its aspects, the specific dimensions that matter. Is it safety? Efficacy? Cost? These aspects are like branches, and each can split into sub-branches. For example, safety might include side effects in children versus adults, while efficacy could compare immune response rates. The process starts with aspect-discriminative retrieval. Think of it as a supercharged search engine. Instead of sifting through thousands of papers, CLAIM SPECT filters out irrelevant noise, zeroing in on sections that directly address each aspect. If we're analyzing safety, it prioritizes studies detailing adverse reactions in specific demographics, like how vaccine A affects pediatric patients versus seniors, rather than vague mentions of safety in general. Next, iterative subaspect discovery kicks in. Once we've identified key sections, the system keeps drilling down. It asks what's next. If we're talking about safety, what subgroups matter? Kids? Elderly? How about distribution logistics? Each answer becomes a new branch, creating a hierarchical map of the claim. It's like peeling an onion. Each layer reveals deeper nuances. Finally, classification-based perspective discovery organizes the data. This step sorts information into 3 categories: evidence supporting the claim, evidence opposing it, and neutral findings. For instance, 80% of data might show vaccine A is safer for adults, while 20% highlight risks in children. This creates a balanced view, helping users avoid bias or missing critical details. Why does this matter? Consider debates on climate change, healthcare policies, or even product reviews. CLAIM SPECT could help you quickly spot all angles, verify claims, and make informed decisions. It's not just about answers, it's about understanding the complexity behind them. So what do you think? Would tools like CLAIM SPECT change how you approach complex topics? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to explore how AI is reshaping truth-seeking in data, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, stay curious. Ever wondered how AI is learning to spot fake news or tricky scientific claims? Let's dissect a study that's redefining how we verify facts, and why humans and machines still need to team up. The researchers wanted to test if AI could match human experts when analyzing complex claims, like political debates or medical studies. But they didn't just ask AI to say true or false. They demanded deeper analysis, breaking down arguments into parts, checking context, and even spotting subtle biases. The twist: they compared AI to humans using math to measure agreement. Think of it like a spot-the-difference game. They used stats like Cohen's kappa and ICC to see if AI and humans were essentially agreeing. And guess what? For most tasks, they were. When evaluating claim structure, AI and humans agreed on 62% of cases, called substantial agreement. For checking factual consistency, they hit 78% and 76%. That's pretty solid. But here's the catch: some tasks were harder. The segment quality metric, which checks if a text snippet fits the bigger picture, only had 82% agreement. Why? Because claims often use vague language or focus on tiny details that even humans debate. It's like judging a recipe based on a single ingredient. Context is everything. So how did they train AI to handle this? They gave it step-by-step prompts, a roadmap for analyzing claims. One prompt asked AI to identify main themes in a scientific paper, while another taught it to refine keywords for better searches. They even tweaked AI's creativity using temperature settings. Lower numbers kept answers tight and focused, while higher ones let it explore new angles. It's like balancing precision and curiosity on a tightrope. The real breakthrough: they built special datasets with real-world claims from politics and medicine. These weren't simple yes-no questions. They were nuanced arguments requiring deep analysis. One example: international collaborations prioritize geopolitics over security. It's not just true or false, it's a debate. And over 90% of these claims were so well-crafted, experts call them relevant and nuanced, backed by real research. So what does this mean? AI isn't replacing humans, it's amplifying them. It can handle the heavy lifting, like scanning thousands of documents or spotting patterns, while humans add critical thinking for tricky cases. Together, they're building tools to fight misinformation, whether it's a viral headline or a confusing study. Next time you see a claim that feels off, remember, scientists are building smarter systems to help us all find the truth. And who knows? Maybe your favorite AI is already working behind the scenes to keep the facts straight. Stay curious and let's keep chasing the truth together.